Today we're gonna cook turkey. It's leg day today. Smoked turkey drumstick. Drumstick. So basically we're just steaming it and see it will get hot because we don't have an oven. After about 5 minutes, let's check if it's warm. I think it's hot already, so it's time to eat. It's actually good. Smoked turkey leg. Just heat it up with a little bit of water, cover it. 5 minutes is done. This is afterwards. Earlier I was eating this turkey leg, and a guy who was cleaning, he's probably like a local who cleans up, like volunteering, and he saw me eating the turkey, and he came up and said and asked me, do you need any more food? I said no, I have food in my refrigerator. And I was like, I was thinking, can you see I'm eating a huge turkey leg? But it was funny. That's why I like people here in East Texas. They're very friendly. They go around asking if you're hungry or not. But look, I ate the whole turkey leg and I still look hungry to him. But anyway, he left, and it's funny. That's what I was thinking, to make a video out of it. But actually, I ate the whole turkey leg, and that was satisfying. Although I used to eat it with my friend where we used to work, and every time there's in the menu there's a turkey leg, and we would always go and eat it. So that's not too bad. It's not too big. I could eat maybe other half of it, or maybe another, but maybe that's why I look so hungry. I was eating the turkey leg and he said, I have some chicken and some cheese from the food bank. So that's why I thought it was funny. But anyway, just to share with you how good these people are in East Texas. I'm here in Longview, Texas. It's near I forgot the name. It's Long Branch. It's on Long Branch, Texas. This campground, free campground. I'm just parked and camp right by the lake, right by the water. Okay, see ya.